Hey guys, it's Pam here. Join me on my trip to the Drakensberg in South Africa. So I'm here to show you that there's a lot more to South Africa than just Cape Town or the Kruger Park, which most people are familiar with and visit. So we're going to go through the Drakensberg and I'm going to show you how awesome this mountain range is. Look at the reflection of those trees in the water. Check out this cool bridge. Along the trail, it's going to lead to the gorge. It's the Tugela Gorge, which is a nice easy-ish walk. So it's about 6 k's there and 6 k's back. I would like to know how many of you guys have hiked in this mountain range. Please do share your experiences and leave some comments below. This so looks like rain. I hope it doesn't rain now because I don't really feel like putting on my rain jacket. And here comes the sun, so that's awesome. So I'm using this really colorful hat, which is like a peachy color, because I haven't found a hat to replace the one I gave away at Big Falls. So hopefully soon I'll have a hat that's hiking appropriate. So I've been walking for about an hour and a half and the scenery just keeps getting more and more beautiful. So I've been doing all these videos for you guys, all these little clips, and there's so many people that are coming up behind me and passing me, so I guess I should speed up a bit. Listen to the sound. So this is a walk down towards the river, so we're descending the gorge, which means if we're descending the gorge, there's a long walk coming back up. Should be fun. We've made it to the gorge. Check out this awesome view. The gorge in the background there. We're going to walk through just now. Just want to show you this chain ladder. These guys have been standing here contemplating going up the chain ladder because it's been closed until further notice. It's been an absolutely fantastic day. So yeah, aren't you glad I brought you along? Look, check it out. Leave some comments below and hit the subscribe button and like if you've enjoyed the video. That's where we've walked from. Just had lunch. It was an apple sandwich with coffee. Brought a flask of warm water or hot water, so the water was still hot. It took us 2.5 hours to get here from the car park, so it was a nice walk. It's an easy-ish walk. There's not a lot of ups, but yeah, it still took 2.5 hours. It's around the mountains. We see a lot along the way. It's an awesome walk to get to this gorge, and I'm gonna go in now to take some videos and pictures. Awesome clear water. Yikes, this water's cold. This water is awesome, but it is just so cold. I've got to be really careful where I step. So just for you guys, I'm gonna walk through there to get to the other side and show you what's around the corner. So let's go. It's so cold. That looks quite deep.
No, it's not that bad. But you can't go on, unfortunately.
Unfortunately, that's quite deep, and I'm not going through that. There's another pool on the other side, a huge rock, which on the other side is the waterfall, the Tugela Gorge. It's still a nice walk through this pools of water running down the gorge. Was a totally awesome trip. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up for the video. This is on the way back from the gorge. It's quite nice, huge boulders to be walking on. It's awesome. The walk out has been slightly quicker than the walk in. It took about 2 hours to walk out, whereas it took us about 2.5 hours to walk in. It's been a nice cool day to walk in the mountains. It hasn't been extremely hot. Walked about 20,000 steps today, so it's a nice way to enjoy nature and the outdoors and get fit at the same time. That is so aptly named. It's called Policeman's Helmet, and it looks like one. Still covered in a lot of cloud. Share some of your thoughts of what you think about this beautiful country. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.